panahong ito, namamayagpag na po ang mga Japanese sa mundo ng boxing. Dati po kasi mga patabalang ang mga Japanese para sa Pinoy. Pero ngayon, mukhang nababaliktad na. Dinodumina na po kasi ng mga Hapon ang mga Pinoy. Lalo na kapag nadadayo sa bansang Japan ang mga Pinoy boxers natin. Isa nga po sa nagiging inspirasyon ng mga Japanese fighters, ang superstar nila na si Naoya Inoue. Samahan pa ng mga makabagong training sa Japan, kaya mas lalong lumalakas po sila. Pero syempre mga tol, hindi po padadaig ang mga Pinoy pagdating sa lakas. Sa katunayan mga tol, may isang Pinoy ngayon ang prospect na sinasabing magiging future world champion. At yan po ay walang iba kundi si Kenneth Luber, ang kasalukuyang OPBF Bantamweight Champion, tubong General Trias Cavite. May unbeaten record na 13 wins, 0 loss with 8 knockouts. Ito nga po yung sinasabing Pinoy na dudumi na sa mga Hapon. Minsan na po siyang napalaban sa bansang Japan at nagpakitang gila sa una niyang laban. At ngayong March 24 mga tol, mapapalaban muli siya sa Japan. Kalaban na malakas at eksperyensadong si Japanese Keta Kurihara. Pero ano nga ba ang dapat gawin ni Kenneth Luber mga tol para talunin ang mabigat na kalabang si Keta Kurihara? Balikan po natin mga tol ang naging laban nila at tingnan po natin kung anong diskarte para talunin ng Pinoy ang Hapon. December 15, 2024 nang makalaban ni Kenneth Luber ang Hapon na si Toyo Di Canarudo. Sa panahong yan, may record po ang Hapon na 8 wins, 2 losses and 2 draws with 4 knockouts. Habang si Kenneth Luber naman mga tol, may record na 12-0 with 8 knockouts.
Green. First round on your way, scheduled for 12.
Sa unang round pa lang mga tol, makikita na naganado na ang Pinoy. Malaman ni Pacquiao po yung in and out ni Luber.
Luber now with the jab. His attention. Good open combinations.
Lalo na yung over right hand. Gayang-gaya po niya ang suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. Hanggang sa bumigay na po agad ang kalaban nang nag-iwan ng right hook si Luber. Bagsak po ang Hapon. Agad bumangon po ang Japanese mga tol, pero hilong-hilo pa ito.
In the very first round, ladies and gentlemen, bagsak po.
Nang makita ng referee na hindi okay itong si Di Canarudo, itinigil na po yung laban. Kaya nakuha po ni Luber ang panalo mga tol via knockout sa round 1. Punta naman po tayo mga tol sa laban ni Keta Kurihara. Nang man-knockout si Kurihara ng Pinoy na si Froilan Saludar. Round 1 lang mga tol, ilang beses pong pinabagsak ni Froilan Saludar itong si Keta Kurihara. Nabigla po ang Hapon mga tol sa lakas ni Saludar. Uppercut po ni Saludar ang nagpabagsak dito kay Keta Kurihara. Nakabangon naman agad ang Hapon mga tol. Pero bumagsak na naman itong mga tol sa pangalawang pagkakataon nang tamaan ito ng isang malinis na right hook. Kitang-kita mga tol na nayanig itong Hapon. Hilong-hilo pa ito ng tumayo pero wala na pong sinayang na oras si Saludar. Pinaulanan niya po ito na malalakas na suntok hanggang sa itigil na po ng referee yung laban. Nakuha po ni Saludar ang panalo dyan mga tol via technical knockout sa round 1. 2023 po noong maganap yung laban na yan sa bansang Japan. So nagkaroon po sila ng rematch mga tol makalipas ang 3 buwan. At dito na po yung ginanap sa Pinas. Kung sa Japan, na-knockout itong si Kurihara sa baluarte niya. Pero nang dumayo si Kurihara sa Pinas mga tol, nakaganti ito kay Saludar. Si Saludar naman po ang pinabagsak nitong mga tol at tinalo via knockout sa round 8. So panoorin po natin ang naging highlights ng laban.
Sa opening bell pa lang.
Diba? Starting the round strong is Kurihara. Good counter hook by Saludar.
And it knocked out Kurihara during the first fight.
It's when you know na ang intention niya talaga
to hurt.
Is to hurt. So kita Kurihara.
And Saludar
Good straight
shots.
Diba? Jab straight hook from Froilan Saludar. Jabs from Saludar. Lead straight from Saludar. I like the way that Saludar is circling out after each combination, John.
Ni Kurihara, that's why he's very confident. Kitang-kita sa galaw niya.
Ooh!
And he got caught. Itong si Kurihara with a right with just one round before, but merong konting familiarity na nangyayari dito, which made Saludar very comfortable in this opening bell.
As he was trying to circle out towards his right.
Knockout this time.
History will not repeat itself.
At least
Kurihara trying to pin Saludar against the ropes.
And Saludar is trying to catch Kurihara with the same right hand. Parang pinapaalala.
Good!
Remember this right hand?
Introduce you to my right hand. This is the straight. This is the hook. Kurihara pushing the pace. Uppercuts to the body. Overhands from Kurihara. Now he has Saludar against the corner.
Nice!
Saludar needs to get out of there. The face by Froilan Saludar.
But it's
That is a very good overhand right by Kurihara.
fighting fire with fire.
Good weaving from Saludar, but
Halaw ni Froilan.
Froilan needs to get out of range. He needs to circle out,
Naku.
just like what he was doing in the first round. Their opponents against the ropes.
Good uppercut.
Good uppercut there by Saludar. Very low stance here from Saludar.
Good left hook from Saludar.
Good exchanges from both our fight. These fighters are unloading. Anong nakikita mong pinapakita ng mga fighters natin, Mark?
And they're exchanging leather.
Wow! Gandang laban. Gusto
was-
gumante ng Japanese.
Vicious right hands from Froilan Saludar. Kurihara answers with straights of his own.
Dapat iwasan.
He can't keep throwing punches and receiving punches at the same time.
Nako!
Heavy breathing from Saludar. More pressure from Kurihara.
But he's hitting Kurihara as well.
Oh!
And then wobbles.
Of this round.
Ang hina na ng suntok ni Saludar.
End of the round. Oh my God.
Nako!
Bantamweight championship belts. Kurihara continues the pressure. Keeps spinning Saludar against the rope. Circling out of his
Naku.
opponents during the early minutes of the first round. That forearm against Saludar. And then the moment he gets
Nice!
Good right hand from Saludar.
Nice!
Good right hand from
Nag-groovy.
Saludar. Signs of life from Froilan Saludar. Can he keep this up? More power shots. Now he has Saludar against the ropes.
Combination from Saludar.
Oh my God! Two-punch combination
Oh,
from
nag-groovy.
Saludar.
Follow up talaga.
Good right hand from Saludar. But good.
Rin si Kurihara.
Oo. Munti ka na siya dun. Munti ka na.
Barely missed.
That was a swing and a miss. A very lucky miss.
May cut na si Froilan.
After that exchange, he
And
was
good
smiling.
combination from Saludar.
Nice! Nice!
However, we're seeing a cut on the left eye of Froilan Saludar.
It's the fresher fighter this time.
Dapat umalis siya dyan. Huwag niyang hayaan na nasa lugid siya.
Good right hand from Saludar, but he's been receiving a lot of punishment sa laban ito. But he comes
Nice.
back like a true warrior. Saludar.
Four-punch combination from Froilan Saludar. Everyone is shouting Instant Casino Grand Convention Center.
And just here,
I'm still here. And every time na babawi si Saludar, naaapektuhan si Kurihara.
and down goes Saludar after a barrage.
Of punishment. Standing 8 count for Froilan Saludar. He goes up. Immediately continues the pressure.
Ano kasi Saludar na pagod na eh.
Final 10 seconds of the 4th round.
Will Saludar.
Low stance for Froilan Saludar. More pressure from
Good overhand
Kurihara.
right from Saludar. But will that be enough? But Keita Kurihara is unfazed and is still attacking, sticking to the
Pull out.
stationary target siya eh.
Sobrang dami niyang kinakaing suntok dito.
Ako nang gana si Kurihara eh, kasi nasa lubid lagi eh.
Hey, referee calls that one a slip.
Good uppercut from Saludar.
Good, good uppercut from Saludar. Just when you thought he's gonna go down.
Good right hand from...
Good straight.
Alam mo hindi pa tapos tong laban na to.
Oo. Saludar still much in it.
Ng punches niya.
Diba, he's
Good
not
left hand
letting
from
up.
Saludar.
More hooks there from Saludar. Moving around now.
You know, in this round, Saludar connected with a lot more than Kurihara based on our...
Same time, yung mga overhands na nagmi-miss from Kurihara, that's allowing Saludar to recover.
That's right. Good right hand from Saludar.
John,
Alam mo, pag bumabato si Saludar, may power pa kaya tinitipid niya eh. Good
this
round
is
for
the
Saludar.
end of Saludar's right hand keeps on
Good right hand from
connecting.
Saludar. Oh no! Good! Kurihara is a trouble.
Here's Rogi.
He is hanging on for dear life.
With everything he has.
Reinvigorated by that motion.
Nabuhayan si Kurihara.
Kurihara has Saludar against the ropes once again.
Dapat umalis siya dyan.
Saludar is eating in the head.
Hindi na siya pumabato ng suntok.
Good na yun!
Ayun! More shots from Saludar. Another
What a fight!
What a Everyone's cheering. Grabe tong laban na to.
Saludar needs to do a better job in defending himself.
He needs to get out of there. He needs to circle out. He can't keep getting damage after damage. Tapos, hihintay na lang niya. Pag nabuhayan si Froilan, nakakapasok talaga eh.
Iwasan niya sana talaga yung nasa lubid. Doon siya nabubugbog eh.
Deep breath from Froilan Saludar. Good combinations from Kita Kurihara. That was a good left hook by Froilan Saludar. Saludar.
And they are back.
You have just got to give it to both these fighters, John. Constant, diba? Constant attacks. Si Saludar naman, yung durability, yung puso, grabe.
But shots. Good body.
Bugbugan talaga yung hanap eh.
Medyo nagpe-pacing na yung mga fighters natin.
Yan!
But now Kurihara has Froilan against the ropes once again. Saludar fights back. Two hooks from Saludar. Another right hand from Saludar.
What a fight.
Everyone is on.
Check, check.
Check.
Yo. And Saludar is back.
More right hands from Froilan Saludar.
Good uppercut from Saludar.
Good exchanges from both our fighters. Magfe-fade, si Kurihara magfe-fade. Wala eh. Wala. Both are running based on ano lang talaga.
Both are running on fumes.
Oo, both are running on fumes. Puso na lang talaga nagpapa-under dito sa dalawang to ngayon. Parang sino na lang yung unang bibigay. Kurihara has Froilan against the corner. Saludar goes down.
And I guess this is it.
So bukas na po magaganap ang laban ni Kenneth Luber at Kita Kurihara. So ano kaya ang estilo na pwedeng gamitin ni Kenneth Luber para talunin itong si Kurihara? Sa tingin natin mga tol, yung estilong ginamit ni Luber noong pabagsakin niya si Tolyo Di Canarudo, maaari niya yung gamitin dito kay Kita Kurihara. At yung ginawa din ni Froilan Saludar kay Kita Kurihara, kailangan mabigla itong hapon. Matindi din po kasi ang stamina ni Kurihara, kaya dapat unahan ni Kenneth Luber itong si Kurihara. Kumbaga wag niyang papapormahin. Pero syempre mga tol, kailangan pa din mag-ingat dahil may lakas din itong hapon.